Figma Sites just launched, and it might change how we build websites forever. Now we can design and publish websites straight from Figma. We'll cover how to start a Figma site, build pages, style sections, and publish it live. Let's dive in. First, let's have a look at Figma Sites. Everything you need to design, prototype, and publish, all in one place. You can almost design the whole website for desktop, tablet, mobile. Play around with the layouts, which is perfect. Turn your Figma designs frames into flexible layouts. So this is a disclaimer that there are many features like CMS, Figma Make, and some more AI stuff that is yet to come inside Figma Sites, making our website experience development much more better. So we have to be patient. As disclaimer, this is Figma Sites beta. So a lot more is to come in Figma Sites. Here are some templates. So there's a lot of templates that we can play around with which I'll go through quickly. We can build personal sites, business sites, portfolios, landing pages. I just designed my startup's landing page with Figma Sites a few days ago, and it was so cool and interesting. So this is the Figma Sites main page. So here's how I'll access the Figma site. I have the full dev seat, and you need to pay for Figma Sites in order to access it as of right now. So here we have Figma site. I'll just open it. There you go. It's showing me some templates that I can play around with. So if you have any use case, you can use these templates. Landing page, personal, portfolio. And as these templates advance and there are more templates, this would become so OP, like so powerful. But right now we'll just start from scratch for now. So here we have Figma. If you guys have never used Figma, we have the left panel over here for Figma Sites. I would really suggest you all to check these out, these blocks like pages. We have all of these over here, which you can simply insert. Like we can just insert this right over here. Like check that out. And now it's set for, let's actually add tablet over here. There you go. You can press the home screen over here. Check it out. And it looks amazing. You can make changes quickly for these different pages. I would really suggest you all to play around with all these blocks over here and try to make changes towards your website. Like deliver in 15 minutes to your doorstep or something like that. Like any idea, play around with it. Add a heroes section or a navigation section over here. Let's take a page. So we have pages over here. Let's take this page and open it. Set as home page. So let's make this the home page here. Let's say we're making a page for 2050 AI page for more learning about AI. So learn anything with AI. Let's make these changes quickly. Join now. Preview. There you go. And it's making changes to all the other tablet, desktop, mobile. And that is so interesting that it's making changes to all the other pages too. And it's so interactive. You can add any picture over here. Let's go to images over here and add a image from our computer. You can add any picture that you like. Let's add this picture. And if you want to get the exact measurements for this picture, you guys should, I would really suggest go to Canva, create design of the exact image, and then input your image and style it and export it from Canva to this. And you'll get the exact frame for whatever picture you have. Because as of right now, I really can't like edit my image up and down on this. Like it won't be perfect. Like I'd say fit, but look, it doesn't fit perfectly. So you can play around with this over here. We can also add a gradient over here. Like check this out. And we can even create a style for this. So let's name this Love One, create style, and add the same style over here. So this way you can add fonts, you can change all of these to make it look like your website, and you can add so many more changes. I would highly suggest, like, let's say we want to add a new section over here. I can just go add this and boom, we have a new section on our page. And just like that, you can view it, you can stretch it, and it moves accordingly. You can drop some names with confidence. You can make all these changes to make it your website and make it feel like yours. Let's say we want to add some interaction over here. So I'll press this button, interaction on the right, and you can press any link over here, like add any link, any youtube.com, and it will take you there. This way you can also add interactions over here. Like let's say for this button, I want to add a scroll to interaction. So I'll go to scroll to, and we'll scroll to, let's say, footer, and let's say animate. There you go. Now let's play this, and I'll press preview, and it'll take me to the footer, just like that. Right now will take me to youtube.com. Let's see. There you go. It just literally opened youtube.com. Lastly, let's say you want to add a new page. Like, let's add a new page over here. Like, not the same page, like another page for your headers over here. Now, let's say you want to add interactions to another page, and you want to add it to go to another page, like not the same page. What you'll do is over here, you'll click this and go to interactions over here, and you link a page over here, like about me page. And there you go. Now it has automatically done all the interactions towards the about page. And there you go. I know that maybe Webflow and other tools like Framer might be more powerful right now, but still, the amount of power that this has given just as a beginner is crazy to me. Next, just to play around a little bit more with Figma sites, I really want to show you all the most powerful tool, I would say, in Figma, which is the auto layout. And you add that by pressing the Shift and A in your MacBook or your laptop, Windows laptop. So you just press Shift A over here and Shift A. Okay, there's auto layout over here and here. Now what you'll do is I'll shift and select both of these, and let's create another auto layout. And now I can adjust distance between them perfectly, like this, which is honestly, this is a really powerful feature in my opinion. Distance between this and this, let's say. Let's auto layout these two. And there you go. Now let's adjust the auto layout. Right now it's on auto, but you can adjust this perfectly. Let's say you want to adjust the distance between this and this. So let's auto layout this with Shift A. And now they're on auto layout. And I can adjust the gap perfectly. There you go. And it's going a little bit down. This way you can perfectly adjust the spacing between objects inside Figma, which is so perfect and powerful. This was just a little demo of how to use auto layout, but this is very powerful. I would highly suggest you all to check out the templates for Figma sites. Like, there's so many in here, like Modern Brand Studio. You can also preview them by pressing the preview button, and it opens these examples. Play around with Figma and see like how they've built the websites and sites inside Figma and understand how it works. Like, let's use this template for now. This way, as a beginner, you can learn a lot. Like, this is a secret sauce over here for you all. So here's a styles page. This is very interesting to make a styles page. They've also used components and variants over here, as you can see. So this way you can learn decent amount about Figma. They've used 2 pages, oh actually 3 pages. You can see the interactions over here. It's a lot. It's a lot. See what's happening over here, how they've added all these different features and how they've adjusted it perfectly for and make your own changes, like add your own sites, add your own templates, and all you need to do to publish is press publish over here and publish. Just press that button and it will be on the internet. Now let's say you want to add your own domain. I would suggest going to Vercel over here. Like go to vercel.com. I would really suggest you all to go to Vercel and you can buy your domains from here. This way you can just add your domain to Figma over here. Ladies and gentlemen, one last thing. Purple thing, this is called a component. And we use components because it's the same thing that's being used on all these pages, like over here. Like if we make a change to this component, it would act on the other pages too. Like let's change this to 2050 AI. You'll see that it changes on this one too. Let's go check it out. 2050 AI. Okay, and didn't change over here. Let's click on the menu. It also didn't change over here, but it changed on this one, which was using its component. So that's what a component is. So that once you make a change, you don't need to repeat it every time. I think so that one's over here. 2050 AI. So this is a component over here. And if I go over here, now that change is done for the tablet. Lastly, I've also added a slides for you all on FigJam with some beginner tips, which might be really helpful for you all if you're using Figma for the first time. Like how to use the F tool, use auto layout like a pro, start using components, which I just showed you as we're repeating buttons or repeating elements. You don't need to make the change every time. And learn to use constraints, create and use styles, like you can save styles. Inside Figma, use plugins. And here was a step-by-step guide of kind of what I showed you in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want more on Figma sites with any other updates or any specific thing, let me know. And honestly, I really like Figma, and let's see how Figma sites progresses throughout this timeline as it came out with a lot of other updates too, like Figma Buzz. Figma Make is still to come, so I'm really excited to see where this goes, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching.